Hi guys, it's Mine Crypto here. I'm just going to do something that I constantly do, and I expect most of you do, when you type in a particular token or coin that you want on Google and do a little search to find out. And obviously this is quite good because it gives you a sort of an idea of what others are seeing, especially if they're not in crypto. So I do this sometimes because obviously news, anything new, any ideas from other people. And obviously, once you do the search, you come up with lots of various different pieces of information. So I've just done IOTA cryptocurrency, as you can see here. And obviously, immediately, what you'd hope for, you'd hope to see IOTA there, iota.org, straight up there, and then coin market cap. But what I like to look at is what people are also ask. So is IOTA cryptocurrency a good investment? And what's our answer? So what we get, IOTA is a good long-term investment. As many market analysts predict a price hike in the coming years, IOTA has a bright future and is expected to maintain its current position in the cryptocurrency market. So that's all positive. So if that's the first thing a new prospective investor wants to look at, then that's pretty decent, to be fair. But let's have a little bit deeper. So what we find is IOTA price prediction for 2026. So just around the corner. The experts in the field of cryptocurrency have analysed prices of IOTA and their fluctuations during the previous years, and it's assumed that by 2026 the minimum MIOTA price might drop to $1. So this is old information because it's a lot lower than $1. So we'll move away from that. So let's get into the really good stuff. So what's in here that's quite interesting? Oh, so someone might look, oh, what would it be in 5 years' time? So based on IOTA forecast, a long-term increase is expected. MIOTA price predicted for 2027 is $6.35. Now, that sounds a bit nice. I actually think it's going to go a bit higher than that, actually, by 2027. I think we're going to get $10, $15. So $6.35, I think, is still a nice return, especially when you're thinking about current prices at the moment. What are we looking at right at this moment on price? So the current price we're looking at is around about 24 cents. So if we got 24 cents, if we're looking at getting something around $6 to $7, I put that around about a 25x. I actually think we're going to do a 50 times at some point. Now, that ain't bad, is it? 50 times where you are right now. I think most people are going to be quite happy. But in the long term, I think this is going to go mad. I think we could go nuts. I'm going to be quite honest. Some people are saying I'm mad, but I think if you look here, can IOTA reach $100? Well, let's have a look. So that's 2.7 billion MIOTAs. In order for IOTA to reach $100 USD per MIOTA, we need to reach a total market cap of 2,779,530,285 times 100. That's 278 billion total market cap. Now you're going to say, well, how the hell? Well, do you know that market cap is probably similar to probably Tesla? Why not? Why the hell not? This is like, super technology, fintech technology. It's new technology. I really do think it could go that far. People might think I'm a nutter, but I can only dream. Do you know what I mean? So that's pretty nice to think that. You've got to keep your dreams up. So let's have a look here. So why is IOTA falling? Well, is it falling? Well, it has fallen. So just like the rest of the market. So someone might look at that and think, oh, it's fallen. It's not coming back up. But as we noticed, the stock market as well as crypto has fallen, pretty much like everything else. Who owns IOTA crypto? I wouldn't say owns, but the CEO of is Dominic Schreiner, is co-founder and chairman of the IOTA Foundation. And I actually really like him because I think the amount of development that's going on at the moment is unbelievable. So let's have a look here. So what will IOTA be worth in 2030? These are looking promising. So February 2030, we're looking at average price of $15, highest $16. March 2030, 15, 17. So top here, around about $18 in May 2030. I think it's going to go there way before then. because I think the way technology is going at the moment, who knows? I think it could go a lot higher than that. So what is IOTA coin used for? I love these little things because you really get a little bit of information, and this is what people are seeing when they go on the internet immediately. So what is IOTA coin used for? IOTA is a distributed ledger designed to record and execute transactions between machines and devices, the Internet of All Things ecosystem. The ledger uses cryptocurrency called MIOTA to account for transactions in its network. Seems fine. So let's move on to the next thing. How old is IOTA crypto? Approximately 1300 BTC were raised, corresponding to approximately 500,000 USD, or US dollars at the time. The total token supply was distributed pro rata over the initial investors. The IOTA network went live in 2016, so been around a little while, you know. Approximately 7 years, 6-7 years. Do IOTA burn tokens, you ask? Burn? The unclaimed tokens will be removed from IOTA ledger and the total supply will be reduced by the number of tokens held in the unclaimed treasury pool. I'm assuming this was a while back. So what was the all-time high of IOTA? So let's have a look. So the all-time, so thinking about where we are right now at 24 cents. At its peak, the price of IOTA reached over $5.79 per MIOTA. Now, that's a pretty, I mean, you're talking 20 to 25 times where you're at, and that is a good deal, especially when this goes fully live. In the sense, the ISO 222 coins go nuts when the regulations come in. That's the small number in my mind. I think it's going to go a lot higher. So I think I'm going to do, if you like this video, I think I might do a few more of these because I think it's sort of, a lot of new people coming in as well. So this is the information that everybody sees when they type IOTA. But there you go, guys. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Please comment, please share, please subscribe. Thank you very much for listening, and I'll catch you later.